turn the steering wheel to the right or left and find the two bolts. This is the left one. Go ahead and remove it. Easier to use a screwdriver than an automatic tool. Depends on the angle. Now go to the right side. Same thing, move the wheel to the other side. And I tried to use a screwdriver first, but it didn't fit. So then I switched it over to an automatic screwdriver. And that worked. Go ahead and take the screw out and then just put it somewhere so you don't lose it. Go ahead and look underneath the car. There's going to be one bolt at the bottom. Go ahead and take that off. Using the automatic screwdriver or electric screwdriver is best. Get a flathead screwdriver and just pry open the plastic panels. The top piece and the bottom piece are going to come off. Just need a little quick flick for it to break loose. Now go ahead and pull it off with your hand. Be careful not to pull too hard to break the tabs. And then just set it down on the side. I just set it on my passenger seat. And then do the same thing for the bottom. Just pull it off. Bottom one's a little bit easier. Just pull it directly towards you. Now get a same flathead and just pry it, the little clip, and then pull the blinker switch. And it should come off. Go ahead and loosen up the switch here and take it off. Go ahead and grab the new ASIN part number. You can get this at carparts.com or Amazon. It's about 20 to 25 bucks. Plug it in. Make sure the switch fits. And then just put it back into the car, and then it should just clip on. No screws or anything needed here. The blinker should feel good as new, brand new. And that's it. You're done.